Good morning, fourth graders. Today is Friday, November 20th. And for your e-learning today, you have, for reading, you have your end of week assessment and the things on your to-do list. If you have not finished them throughout the week, please make sure they get done today. For writing, if you have not completed your graphic organizer for your opinion writing, that needs to be done as well. Along with the grammar lesson for the week, it's about sentences, complete sentences. So make sure you get those done. And then also for reading, make sure you're reading for at least 30 minutes and writing it down in your reading log. And then for math, keep working in your MT. If you pass a course and you need a new course, email or message your current math teacher in Kickstand or me, and we will get you a new math code. It is not expected. We do not expect you to work on school next week, okay? But if you want to get ahead, working on your opinion writing would be fabulous. You can work in your fluency course in Kickstand. You can work in Flex. If you want to get into your Bitmoji classroom, you can do some stuff in there. By the end of today, I'll try to put some things that you can work on, like a Kahoot or I don't know, something that you can work on in the Bitmoji classroom. Also, there are no Zoom meetings today, okay? But I am available this morning if you have some questions about things. We can always do a Zoom. Just message me in Kickstand, and I will set up a Zoom for you, and we can you can ask your questions if you have questions. Okay? Have a great day and a great week off. And I will see you soon.